Hey, it's Ramey here at UMI Performance Race Shop once again with a product spotlight. I'm particularly excited to talk about our 3108 1978 to 88 GM G-body modular transmission crossmember. That is a mouthful, but this is a pretty neat piece. So it has 5-position adjustable height for the transmission mount. It's actually very light for how heavy it looks. It's only 22 pounds for the entire assembly. It comes with the modular bracket system to fit both 3rd and 4th gen GM G-bodies. If you have the crooked transmission crossmember or the straight transmission crossmember, it has enough adapters in it to work in either case. It also has some modular brackets here that allow you to move the mount fore and aft. So it fits pretty much every available transmission except for the TR6060. If you use the TR6060, you'll have to find something else. Other than that, lightweight, modular, fits everything, made in USA, and works awesome. If you have any product-related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.